Hello dear viewers, today we'll talk about best apps to earn money online in Pakistan. So let's start. The internet rush has also made online earning easy. You can earn through websites, blogging, freelancing, data entry jobs and other ways. But do you know some best earning apps in Pakistan that give you cash on shopping, completing surveys, playing games, watching videos and much more? Let's find out what these apps are. Upwork. Upwork, formerly known as or Dash, is a freelancing app that most used and popular in Pakistan. It helps you earn money online in the comfort of your home. Whether you are a student, working housewife, job professional, or an aged adult, you can get access to various jobs in your niche. You can also withdraw the payment to your local banks on a click. It's one of the best earning apps in Pakistan that has connected employers and freelancers worldwide on one platform. Now we will talk about Fiverr. Similar to Upwork, Fiverr is also a freelancing app and one of the fastest growing online earning websites in Pakistan. If you are a student and struggling to make both ends meet, you can make user-friendly gigs on the platform and earn money online. First, you shall need to create a strong profile and gig and then send proposals on the job you are interested in performing. Once your gigs start working, your journey to earning money will also begin. Number 3. Savior. Have you ever thought of an app that will give you cash back for online shopping? No? Try Savior. It's an online shopping app that has everything on its portal with amazing deals and discounts. From restaurants to daily wear stuff to groceries, it makes online shopping affordable and fastest for us. And the best part is, the more you shop from this app, the more cashback money will keep collecting in your account. And you can withdraw it whenever you want. Is not that a great app? Now we will talk about Zerklam. Make money online for free. If you are looking for an additional job to earn money online, try this app, Zerklam. It offers you 5 monetization methods to earn money. You can collect rewards for small tasks such as viewing videos, engaging on social media platforms, subscribing to YouTube channels, or following accounts on TikTok or Instagram. Some of the features in the app are not available, but still you can use others in your free hours to earn cash. After reaching your payment threshold, you can withdraw money through bank transfer, PayPal, TransferWise, or Pioneer. Number 4. Number 5. Earn money online 2021. Spin and win free cash. If you are looking for the best online earning app in Pakistan without investment, try this app. Earn money online. It lets you win genuine cash rewards, unlimited money, and points by playing games. You only need to spin the wheel and collect coins to make cash faster. The more coins you have, the higher the finances will be. No matter where you are, you can rely on this app to earn a side income. Daraz games. Do you frequently shop from the Daraz app? There is good news. Being a Daraz user, you can play games on the app and earn cash points. There are 1 rupees games on Daraz through which you can earn 10% cashback and deals and discounts on various products. By playing games, you can also participate in their lucky draws and win a mega discount offer. Hope you like this video. Online earning, money online earning, different apps for your earning. If you like this video, please press bell icon for latest updates. Please share this video with other friends. Take care. Bye bye.